I recently finished a full remodel of my primary bathroom, and during that process, we completely ripped out all of the vanities and cabinets and put in a new system, including this faucet right here. Now, this faucet is not any old ordinary bath faucet. This is the faucet of the future. We installed it about 6 weeks ago, and at first my husband wasn't a fan. He thought it was a little big and bulky, but within a week he came to me and was like, I think this is probably my favorite thing in this entire bathroom install. And I would have to agree. Let me show you why. Before I get into all of the bells and whistles that this faucet has, I want to take a moment to appreciate just how gorgeous it is. It really looks high-end and adds such an elegant touch to your bathroom. Now, I've always loved a good faucet that rotates, but this one not only rotates side to side, look at this, up and down. So you can literally rotate this in any which way. The head itself even swivels all the way up. Now let's move on to the main function of a water faucet, which is to have the water flow through it. And the pressure on this one is amazing. And I especially love the smart technology that's in this faucet. So watch this. I'm going to move it to the hot side, and you're going to see the digital display here go up. As the temperature rises, it will display what it is for you. And it's got 3 different colors. It's got blue for when it's cold water. It'll change to green when it gets a little warmer. And it'll go to red when it's in the hot zone. My husband and I have already found our ideal temperatures that each of us like, and so we know that when it hits there, we're good to go. The faucet also comes with multiple outlet modes. You have the stream mode, which is your normal mode, and then we have a spray mode here, and then with the push of a button, it can go to boost mode, which is a forceful mode. So you can choose your favorite output mode based on what you're trying to do here. And I love that the faucet completely swivels up, down, side to side, and all around, because then it makes it so easy to rinse out the sink when you're done. And then check this out. This is another one of my favorite features. You can use it kind of like a water fountain. So if you want to get a quick drink or rinse your mouth out when you're brushing your teeth, it makes it so easy to do. I don't have to waste money on those disposable bathroom cups anymore. Now, this particular model is a single handle faucet. They do have this attachment here, this base that you can get if your countertop has 3 holes like mine does. But if you have just a single hole in your countertop, it'll work for that too. This pop-up stopper didn't come with it. I just already had it. It doesn't come with a stopper, so just FYI on that. You'll have to get your own. Installation was super easy too. It comes with the supply lines. They even give you several adapters. So depending on if you're in North America or a different country, it should have the adapter for you to fit. It's made of high quality brass and has a metal coating on the surface to resist rust and scratches. And it's super easy to keep clean with a microfiber cloth. They do have other finishes available. This one is in the matte black. I absolutely love this faucet. I'm probably just gonna buy these for all my bathrooms now because they are that amazing. I'll put the link to this faucet below in the description. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And of course, subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.